I wonder who's got to be eliminated. Yeah, me too. Well, let's find it out at Cheese at Cake. Cheese and cake, yeah! Guys, before we can start the elimination, I must say, cameraman Funko Pop, get out! Clock emoji, BFDI 15, you guys are made to the final two. And do you know what that means? Let's see who will win the show and let's see what's gonna happen. This has got to be the peakest moment ever!
Here lies Charlie Cracker. You can tell it's him because we put his name on the stone.
Sheepo